Flour. Flour is a noun that refers to a fine powder made by grinding grains, beans, seeds, or roots. It is commonly used in cooking and baking as a key ingredient in many recipes. Flour is primarily made from wheat, but it can also be made from other grains such as corn, rice, or oats. Here are some examples of how the word flour can be used in different contexts. 1. Cooking. I need to add 2 cups of flour to the cake batter. In this example, flour is an essential ingredient in making a cake. It provides structure and helps to bind the other ingredients together. 2. Baking. Before rolling out the dough, sprinkle some flour on the surface. Here, flour is used to prevent the dough from sticking to the surface, making it easier to work with. 3. Bread making. The bread recipe calls for a combination of whole wheat and white flour. In this case, different types of flour are used to achieve a specific texture and flavor in the bread. 4. Thickening agent. To make the sauce thicker, mix some flour with water and add it to the pan. Flour can be used as a thickening agent in sauces, soups, and gravies. It helps to create a smooth and velvety consistency. 5. Gluten-free alternatives. For those with gluten intolerance, almond flour or coconut flour can be used as a substitute. Some people cannot consume gluten, a protein found in wheat flour. In such cases, alternative flours like almond or coconut can be used as replacements. Overall, flour is a versatile ingredient in the culinary world. Its main purpose is to provide structure, texture, and flavor to a wide range of dishes. Understanding the different types of flour and their specific uses can greatly enhance one's cooking and baking skills.